All right, I just want to do a quick video for those of you who are starting to record lectures and trying to figure out audio quality. Um, I use a lot of different microphones depending on the situation, but most of the time when I'm at home, I have my studio microphone here, and that's what I'm using. So, of course, that's going to be the highest quality, which you can hear. And oftentimes when I'm using this, I have a pop filter on here, so I'll have it right up against my mouth. And so, I often actually don't usually have my video running, so no one can see what I'm doing. If I was running the video, usually I would have it in the bottom corner, like very small, because I don't really gesture a lot, but I'm just going to make it a bit bigger for this. So just comparing this audio quality here, now I want to show you a few different options. If you're interested in knowing, the microphone I'm using is the Neumann TLM 102. I think it's a really good voice microphone. You can see, it's a little bit overkill if you're not going to do this a lot, or if it's just a temporary thing because of coronavirus or something. So let's just look at a few different cheaper options. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to switch to my wireless headset, which is the one I use when I'm traveling, basically. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way. So this is the microphone I usually use when I'm traveling. It's a decent quality microphone. It's wireless, which is really convenient, so you don't have to mess with cords and things like that. And it gives pretty good audio quality. I've been really happy with it actually. And now let's look at how much it costs here. So this one's about $150. Retails at $200, I guess. You'll notice this one has a little bit different form factor. This is last year's edition. This new one is called Razer Nari Ultimate. This one's called Razer Man-O-War. They're the same microphone essentially. So let's look at a much cheaper option. This is a $30 microphone. Let's switch to that so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, so now we're on to this microphone. It's a $30 headset total, but it's a really good microphone. It's wired, of course, so that's going to be a little bit of a hassle. And for whatever reason, it does run a little bit quieter. That's not necessarily a big deal as long as you turn up your microphone settings to be, full gain. So I've been really happy with this microphone. I think it sounds nearly as good as my $700 microphone, to be honest. So if you want to save a bunch of money, I think this is the biggest bang for your buck, is to just buy a decent gaming headset, or not even a decent one. This one's not even a decent gaming headset. It's just a super cheap gaming headset, but they tend to come with really nice microphones. But what I'd really advise you against is just using the built-in microphone for your computer or your webcam or whatever that is, because they tend to be pretty low quality. Let's just switch to that so you can hear it. All right, so now I'm just talking plainly into my microphone camera. Microphone for my camera. And this is the webcam that I'm using here is the Brio, Logitech Brio. Logitech makes great webcams, but the microphone's just too far from your mouth, so it's never going to sound good. And although this is most expensive, you can see it sounds terrible. The microphones on these other ones, the cheaper ones that people typically use, the C920 or 922, very popular, fantastic webcams. I'd highly recommend them. But the microphone is the same as the more expensive one, and they're just going to be low quality. So I'd really recommend investing in some type of dedicated microphone so you can get it closer to your mouth to really increase the audio quality.